Have you ever used your bank to make automated payments without having to write a check physically? If you have, you probably know what ACH is all about. However, if you don't, worry not. We're here to explain the what's and hows of ACH in this quick video. What is an ACH transaction? An automated clearinghouse transfer is a standard method of transferring funds electronically in the United States. The ACH network is a US specific network of over 10,000 financial organizations. Now, on to the elephant in the room. How to make these transactions. Here's a step-by-step guide to the same. Step 1. Gather necessary information. To make an ACH transaction, you need the following information. Name and routing number of the originating bank, name and account number of the payer, name and routing number of the beneficiary bank, and at last, name and account number of the beneficiary. Step 2. Contact your bank. The next step is contacting your bank to initiate an ACH transaction with the gathered information. This may be done online or require a physical visit depending upon the bank. Step 3. Provide the authorization. The bank requires your authorization to make an ACH transaction. You can provide written authorization through email, fax, or by signing a form. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. ACH transactions typically take 1 to 2 business days to process. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Now that the transaction has been processed, it's a good idea to confirm that the money has been transferred to the correct account. Following the steps outlined in this video, you can quickly and easily initiate an ACH transaction with your bank.